Take a ride in the 2002 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.